Hi everyone, Skywalker. I'm going to do a Mcdonald'S toy review of Ray from 2019 movie Star Wars Rise of Skywalker. And let's see this keychain big thing and see what looks like, hologram and stuff. Pretty cool pose. I like the detail on it. Like that cartoony version of Daisy Ridley. So yeah, great detail on it. And let's see the hologram. This Kylo Ren, pretty cool. It's probably like this much as the Darth Vader one hologram. But yeah, I wonder why they don't put like the character itself that's on the keychain. I was wondering. But yeah, still pretty cool. Give this another 10 out of 10. I like this as much as the Darth Vader one. So yeah. But yeah, Kylo Ren's the hologram. But yeah, they probably do like. Yeah, so take another good look at it. And yeah. See it? Yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, let me know what you think. You enjoy this? Yes or no? And yeah, 10 out of 10. Might be able to find these on eBay. So yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye now.